Hey everybody, Jim here from Hiking and Hunting Gear Review. It's autumn here in the Midwest, which means the woods are full of hunters. So if you're hiking someplace where on public lands where they allow hunting, it's always a good idea to make sure that the hunters can tell that you're another human being rather than something they may be gunning for. So in order to do that, we're going to don a little bit of hunter's orange or blaze orange, depending on how you feel about it. So I have hunting gear that has orange on it. When I'm hiking, I don't really like to wear it for a couple of reasons. One, if your hunting's not allowed, it can kind of freak people out. Other than that, it tends to be a little bit too warm for active hiking when you're actively walking around and constantly moving. Because when I hike, I tend to try and do some cardiovascular work while I'm walking. So we decided to go with a lightweight nylon vest. This is from Spanye, S-P-A-N-Y-E. We got this off of Amazon, and on the web page we'll have links to that. Those are affiliate links. We do get a little kickback if you buy something when you visit the site from those links. But it doesn't cost you anything more. It just gives us a few pennies that helps us keep making videos. So anyway, this is a let's see, 126 on the bestseller list on Amazon for men's vests. Received a 4.4 out of 5 rating with 26 different reviews. So that's pretty good, we thought. It has a nylon exterior, zipper front, with the little thing there to keep it from coming unzipped. Got a mesh interior that'll help keep it cool if it's a warm day. Has 16 pockets, it says. So that'll come in handy. A lot of times I combine my hiking with photography trips. So if I can avoid taking an extra pack with my camera gear, that's always a plus. So if I can get my lenses and everything in here, we're hoping that'll save me some weight. And if it gets really hot, you've got, your zipper here that basically opens up into a mesh backing. But you also have another zipper up here, and that, if I can get it to open, takes this completely off. And there's another spot down below here. There's some Velcro on the sides. And you can fold this up, put it down into here. Zip that closed, and you now have a nice warm weather vest with just mesh on the back. So we've got a pocket here, got a little bellows to it, pocket here, and another flap there. So you've got another pocket there. These look like they were designed for flies or maybe shotgun shells, but we might even wear this when we're hunting sometime just to try it out. In case you've got doodads that you need to keep handy, you can hang them on that. Mainly those are designed for dogs. Dogs, speaking of which, what is up? What are you barking about? This is Jordy. He's decided he wanted to come and get involved with this. What you doing, dude? Anyway, this zips open there, rips open there. Got 2 pockets here. Another pocket there. Same thing on this side. You've got the zip open pocket. That'd be good for a good camera lens. Should be fit a camera lens in there. And a smaller pocket there. So we got lots of different options with this. We're going to take it out in the field and give it a shot and shoot a little more footage and see how it turns out. So it'll be just a moment for you. It's going to be an hour or two for me. Thanks. And we'll see you then.